We shall try to solve some questions from exercise 22.1. Let's start with question number 3. The figure is already drawn. ABCD is a quadrilateral and there are two triangles basically over here, ABD and BCD. What is given is that AB is equal to BC, single marks, and AD equal to CD, double marks, right? And you have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C. Okay. So now you have learned the congruence rules, alright. So there are two triangles here. So let's write proof here. Okay. So which are the two triangles? I have ABD and CBD, isn't it? ABD, that means this one, and CBD, that means this one. Okay. Now what is happening here? AB is equal to BC is given already. AB is from the triangle ABD and BC is from the triangle CBD. Alright. Next, I can use AD is equal to CD, that is also given. AD is from ABD and CD is from BCD or CBD. And now these two are already given. Now observe this line BD. This line is common to both the triangles ABD and CBD. BD is in ABD, BD is in CBD. Alright. So what I can do here, I can write BD is equal to BD, and what will be the reason here? Common side. Okay. Now, so we have AB equal to BC given, AD equal to CD given, BD is the common side. So these two triangles will be congruent. So triangle ABD will be, this is a congruent sign, congruent to triangle CBD. Now what is the rule? To decide the rule, we have already studied the rules, right? To decide the rule, look at one triangle and see what I have taken. Just look, observe carefully. Observe triangle ABD. I have taken the side AD, I have taken the side AB, and I have taken the side BD. I have not taken any angle. Obviously, I have taken three sides only. So my rule is going to be S, S, S. Side, side, side. Isn't it? So by side, side, side rule, these two triangles are congruent. Alright. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, then if two triangles are congruent, then their congruent parts are equal. That means corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are also equal. So if we have ABD equal to CBD, we will have angle A is equal to angle C, because A corresponding angle is C. So if we take A from here, this angle, we have to take C from here, right? So we can write angle A equal to angle C because they are corresponding parts. So how should we write that? We will write it like this: angle A equal to angle C. What is the reason? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Instead of writing it in the long way, you can write in short form. I think some of you know this thing. C, P, C, T. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And hence proved. This is what you needed to prove, right? So I am done with question number 3. Alright. Let's solve one more. Let us shift to question number 4 now. If you look at the figure, question number 4, again a quadrilateral is given this way. Okay, these are the diagonals. Okay, so I have A, B, C, D, O over here. And if you read the question, line segments AB and CD bisect each other at O. AB and CD bisect each other at O means OC will be equal to OD and OA will be equal to OB. Alright. So what is essentially given to you indirectly, because they bisect each other, we have OC equal to OD and OA equal to OB. Okay. Now what you need to prove? I need to prove two things. Okay. So the first one is I have to prove that AC is equal to DB, and then I have to prove AD is equal to CB. Okay. The proof for this one, again you have to prove two triangles congruent. So which two triangles I'll take, that will depend on what you have to prove. You have to prove that AC is equal to DB. So AC and DB, which two triangles? AC is from OAC and DB is from OBD. So I'll take those two triangles in triangle OAC and triangle OBD. Okay. So if you look at these two triangles, I already have OA is equal to OB. This is given. I can also take OC is equal to OD. This is also given. And now interestingly, angles. These two angles are equal. Can you recall why? Why these two angles are equal? Yes, they are vertically opposite angles. So I have to write angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. VOA, vertically opposite angles. This short form you can use instead of writing vertically opposite angles. So now these two triangles OAC is congruent to triangle OBD. Now decide the rule. Which rule? Look at any of the triangle. Let's say I am taking OAC. So I have taken the side OA, taken the side OC, and taken the angle AOC. As you can see here, the angle is between the two sides. So my rule will be side, angle, side. Angle is between the two sides. Side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side, these two are congruent. Now once they are congruent, I can easily apply CPCT and I can write. So this will give us, after this, I can write here AC is equal to DB. AC is equal to DB. What is the reason? CPCT. Okay, so this part is proved. Okay, second part I am leaving up to you, but I will give you the hint. You have to prove that AD is equal to CB. So AD, that means this side, equal to CB. So you have to take the triangles AOD. Please listen carefully. You have to take the triangles AOD and BOC, prove them they are congruent, and after that you can apply CPCT and prove and write AD is equal to CB. Alright, this is how we are going to solve question number 3 and question number 4. In the next video, we are going to discuss about question number 5 and question number 6.